I'm Crystal Baldwin, a real estate agent and a medium. And this is House Haunters.
Ooh, I really could see myself haunting this place.
And these marble countertops, so good for knocking things off. And that staircase, so drafty.
I know, right?
My clients leave a lot of ectoplasm, but I love finding them their dream home.
Honey, it's got a creepy old well, just like the one I fell down.
Aw, you look just as beautiful as the day you died.
Listen to the creak in those floorboards.
That would be perfect for the middle of the night.
We've made a decision. We want to haunt this place.
That's great.
Thank you so much for your help. I can't wait for the housewarming party.
Let's invite Casper and his new girlfriend. I think it's that girl that climbs out of TVs.
Casper, he's a little too friendly, don't you think?
Embrace the paranormal with Ectoplasm Putty. This translucent neon toy is colored like paranormal slime, complete with a ghostly glow when the lights are off. You can write on it, stretch it, bounce it, and rip it. Buy glow-in-the-dark Ectoplasm Putty and shop hundreds of other curiously awesome gifts at that19.com.
that19.com.
For more fun playthings, check out Phantom UV Putty, or take the supernatural further with Ghostbusters playing cards. Subscribe to VAT19 and share your favorite videos with your friends, whether they're on this side or the other. Man, I'm sitting here.